Alright guys, we are live. Welcome to my channel. Today we are doing a chain maintenance. We're gonna clean the chains. They're very dirty. Yeah. We're gonna be using this one. I ordered this one from Amazon. We'll try it out. Then we're gonna be using this lube because we don't have a dedicated motorcycle lube. This should work for at least a week. Then we'll buy a dedicated one. We'll be using this one. Let's go. Scrubber 30. Oops, that's on. Okay. First thing we're gonna do. Hold on a second. Grab the step. Damn. Yep. Gonna put the stand. Good. Okay. Let's clean it up. Yeah, it's okay. Okay. We're gonna spray this like so. Over my face. Gonna put it neutral. Oops. Yeah, I forgot about that. Wow, this is melting it away. This thing's pretty good. I don't even need to scrub it. Look at that. It's just, wow. You know, maybe I should go easy. This thing is expensive. Okay, we got it. All right. Yeah. Scrub. Just like that.
So here I am, sick. I just took my medicine, started feeling better, so here we are. I don't really want to lie down in bed all day. So now we're cleaning chains. But better way to spend my sick day. Oh, I really want to ride right now. You guys ever get into that zone while you're cleaning your bike? Like your hands are working, but your mind's just somewhere else?
Okay.
It happens to me a lot, especially, while doing maintenance. It's one of those moments where time slows down a bit. Like no traffic, no rush, just, you, your bike, some grease on your fingertips. So I've been thinking, if I had money, a lot of money, space and time, what would my dream garage look like? Not just the bikes, I mean the whole setup. Hmm.
All right. That's pretty good. Let's see. Spray on the chain. Let it dry for 5 minutes. If the chain is dirty, scrub. Okay. And then we're just gonna wipe it off. That was easy. Wow. Wow. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy.
Well, back to the garage. First off, I'd want it clean. Not spotless like a showroom, but organized. With pegboards, tool chests, lighting that doesn't make everything look yellow. So I can do chain cleaning at night. Maybe do some work at night. A place that feels more like a second home than just in storage, I guess.
Ooh, nice and clean.
I'd probably throw in a couch. Maybe a little mini lounge area. Just a place to sit with friends, talk bikes, crack a cold one after a ride. Maybe mount a TV on the wall for just to watch random YouTube motorcycle videos. I think that's a good idea. Maybe it's a good idea. Next, bikes. The bikes. This is where it gets fun. I mean, a full-on track monster like Yamaha R1M or that Ducati Panigale V4S. Just, pure speed. Why not? If you have the money, the space, and time. Something that makes no sense on the street, and that's just the point. That's exactly the point. Next, I'd go practical. Something I could take across the island, like a Tenere 700, or my dad's favorite, the African Twin Yeah, just throw some bags and disappear for a few days. Adventure ready, dusty, and reliable. Then you gotta have cruisers in the mix, of course. Lowrider, maybe even a fat bob, blacked out pipes, comfy saddle, that deep rumble when you're rolling slow on the weekend, you know. But we're not letting go of the ZX6R. I mean, this bike's part of the story now. First love, first stupid mistakes, first real rides. It belongs in the garage, even when the dreams come true. I'd like to have a workbench, maybe with a mounted camera to record maintenance videos. That'd be nice. Ooh, and a mini fridge. Gotta have the essentials like water, snacks, cheesecakes, water, snacks. Did I mention cheesecakes? Yeah. I know it's just a dream, but you know, thinking about it makes this stuff feel worth it. Every little maintenance task. It's like I'm building towards something. Even if I never get all of it. Just having the space where I can work, think, and ride. Well, we're getting kinda close to finishing here. But what about you guys? What's in your dream garage? Let me know. That'd be nice to hear. Write it down or tag me in the comments.
Okay. We're done. Very nice. Just like that. Easy peasy.